This is aloe butter. Aloe butter is what is referred to as extract butter. It's a blend of aloe vera extract and fractionated coconut oil that is strictly for cosmetic purposes. It's solid at room, semi-solid. As you can see, it's kind of like a coconut oil would be at room temperature, but it melts on contact with your skin. It's great for dry skin and skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and general chapping and of dry skin. It can be used in a variety of skincare applications, including lotions, soaps, skincare creams, hair conditioners, and lip balms, or simply used as is on its own for your hair and your skin. A great benefit to using this is to enhance the moisturization with the properties of aloe that are already here in the aloe butter.